Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a cool little Soundesign unit. Now this is an all-in-one 8-track player with built-in speaker amplifiers, and one thing I'll say about Soundesign is they're true to their name. Their audio equipment just had such cool cosmetics in a lot of cases. Unfortunately, Soundesign is not known for being a quality electronics manufacturer, and so this unit really has hardly any output power at all. It was most likely sold with a pair of very efficient speakers so that it would get decently loud. I'm running this through a pair of pretty high wattage car speakers that take a little bit of power to drive in the first place, so I don't get a whole lot of volume out of this, and I don't normally recommend this, but it's actually permissible to go ahead and run the output of this unit through a receiver because it just doesn't have enough power to cause that much damage, to cause any damage. Just keep the volume down to about 2 or 3. Adjust it to suit your taste. Just don't let it get distorted, and you should be safe running this through a receiver. I've got it set up wired to a pair of speakers at the moment. This unit came in with a bad on-off switch. This part is not available, not the exact part, so I just added a toggle switch there to turn the unit on and off, and so we'll give it a few seconds for the electronics to come to life, and then we'll go ahead and pop some Neil Sedaka in there. Make sure our balance control works. Get into that song. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. As I mentioned, there's not that much output power. You definitely don't want to run this thing through a pair of speakers that have foam surrounds. This really was designed to work with a very small and very efficient speaker system. If you can't get enough volume out of it, you can just plug the output into a standard stereo receiver. Start off with the volume low, adjust the volume to taste, and you'll be okay. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I do ask customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. My website is in the description below, as well as my phone number. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and this unit comes from Bob right here in Arizona, so he lives close enough to come and beat me up if he's not happy with my service. So actually, I did give the customer a pretty substantial discount simply because this unit is not a great, wasn't a great performer off the shelf, off the assembly line. It's just a bare minimum expense to manufacture, a little bit of output power for moderate listening levels. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you all next time.